Hi, it's Michelle from Absolute Skin in San Diego, and I thought I'd do my makeup with you today. I'm getting ready to go see Wicked the movie. I'm representing with my shirt here. I am going to change my clothes. I have a nice little satin outfit in green, and I thought I wanted to do a green eye look, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to use. I have so many good colors. So first I've got this Beauty Moon palette, the Gospel palette. And there are some great greens in here. And I was kind of thinking that I might start with some of these. I don't know. But then I also have a great green. This is the Sugar High palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. And I absolutely love that green. And there's a pink. Could be for our Glinda. So I don't know. And then I have my Underland palette from Ensley Rain that I absolutely love. And these are the grungy greens and the blue greens. So I don't know, but I do like some of these sparkly shadows in here. So that's my Ensley Rain. And then I also have a tiny little Viseart palette, which has all the brights. So I'm going to just start. I'm going to do something. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Gospel palette. Actually, I did put the Beauty Moon Cosmetics highlighter, the green one, on my cheeks. I figured it might as well be green. So I'm going to go ahead with the green Eden highlighter on my eyes real quick right there. Just for my starting place. And I have a feeling I'm going to have to do this in two parts. I just don't think I'm going to be able to do this all in one. But we'll see. I put all my foundation and eye primer on the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So that is on. So I'm going to just start with what we're working with here. Kind of looking for what brush I want to start with. I've got a little bit of lipstick all over me. Oh boy. Okay. Well, as long as it doesn't transfer over. Okay. I'm just going to see what's going to happen here. I don't often wear these like really deep dark shadows. So I'm thinking, well, why not? It's going to be evening when I go. It'll be dark. Theater will be dark. No one will really see me. So this is the perfect time to go a little crazy and experiment. That's what I'm thinking, right? So I am so excited that I have two Wicked themed things this week. I'm going to see Wicked, the movie tonight at a little premiere, and then after that on Saturday I am going to a Wicked tea at the Westgate Hotel in San Diego. So that sounded fun too. All right. So I'm just going to take that dark color, start with that, both sides here. And that's a fun color. Okay, let's add some lighter green to that. There are so many Black Friday sales going on for this season, and there are so many good companies that have started some already. So I think I need to do a YouTube video telling you what's on sale, because there are some great sales on makeup right now. There's so many good things. I don't want you to miss out. Okay, now I'm going to use that green. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Menagerie bright green, I think, for a second, and just give this a whirl. I just feel like this one stays on really well. It is more of a yellow green. I don't know if I'm going to like that with this. However, going back and forth, sorry, I'll show you that after. I also do like this, but it's more of a blue-green, so I may add that on top. See how that looks, because it's got a good sparkle factor. I'm always about the sparkle. I was thinking maybe I needed some rhinestones today too, but that is not going to make it in this video for sure. And I did put just a little bit of light lip color on for the heck of it just before when I started, but I have a kind of sparkly one that is awesome by JCat Beauty, and they do colors that are a dupe of the, is it Chanel or Christian Dior that does the lipstick that when you press your lips together, the glitter. I can't think of who it is. I'll have to think about that. Okay, I do love this Kaima Cosmetics liquid, and it's actually a very green shade. So let me go in with that in the corner. And I'm gonna bring that around too. And I gotta pick up a green under my eyes. Should I go for that bright green? Maybe so. Should I do the bright green? Why not? I haven't dug into it before, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that right here. And then I have my green pencil that I love to use for waterline liner. My favorite ones are by Moira Cosmetics, and it's their Multichrome gel liners. And this one's various shades of green, just like the packaging, and I love this one. So I'm going to use this one in the waterline. I need to see what I'm doing so I don't poke myself in the eye, hopefully. I'm trying to smack this on pretty quick so that I can make it in one video. And then I'll put the outfit on and I'll show you where I ended up at the end here. Okay, I do like this. I haven't, like I said, I'm not used to wearing very monochromatic, crazy green looks. I always feel a bit like that woman on that TV show with the crazy green or blue eyeshadow. I feel a bit like her when I do this. Oh, and I think this is such a perfect time. I was either going to add glitter or Kaima Cosmetics, their flakes. And I have flakes that are called Typhoon that are kind of a green, light green. So the way I use these, a lot of times you can kind of mix them with a mixing medium and do it that way. But for some reason, I kind of like it if I just put a little bit of the Kaima Cosmetics. I don't even know what they call this. This is like the primer that's a little gel. And then I dip my finger in the little flakes. Ooh, they can be a little messy. I see them flying around. But they're super fun. So I'm gonna dip them in there again. Can you see that? Looks a little mermaidy. It's very pretty. Okay, I think we need some eyebrows and a liner real quick. So I've got the Grande 2-in-1. And I am going to give you a part 2 today, I think. As this video is going to end in a little bit. I don't think I'm going to have time to get the liner on and get the brows done and the lips. Thought about doing a few gems. Not sure. And then I think I'll put the outfit on for you. It's pretty cute. It's one of my Can't the Bay outfits, but they still have these available. They're great for the holidays. They have them in both a red burgundy color and then also a emerald green, and it's satin outfits. And I have several styles. Okay. And I'm going to use my favorite one size liner. And I need to see up close for that. And I'll see you in part 2 when we lose you with my liner here.